portion. Now I'm going to grind that.
Second process, rolling process. After we get tea leaves, we are applied to roller number 1. You can see that red color go, roller number 1, corner roller, and rolling 20 minutes without any pressure. No pressure, smoothly rolling, like twisting. Yeah, smoothly rolling. Because first time we are accepting unbroken leafy tea. Leafy tea, very light taste. And after complete 20 minutes rolling, take out and pass to the roll breaker machine. 1970. Okay. It consists 3 different sizes of measures, like bigger, medium, smaller. The small leaf here, big leaf here, most younger tender leaf fall through the measure.
Oh, I see.
And we collect that boxes.
Oh, gotcha.
Bigger size, medium size, small size.
So this machine is sorted in different sizes.
Yeah. And all the rest particles like this here, the stems and big leafy particles coming in front of the machine. And as same as we are apply other new leaves into the second roller, roller number 2. Rolling 20 minutes, apply with little pressure. Second time we are accepting broken rings. Little pressure, we are rolling, next roll. Tea taste is strong. Strong tea taste. And again take out and pass to the left. Finally all the stems and big leafy particles sent to third roller. Roller number 3. Rolling 20 minutes, apply with full pressure. After it's become like a powder. Tea dust. We call dust. Outside supermarket tea bag, tea powder. Very very strong taste. Not good quality, low quality because most include the stems and big leaf. That's why the price wise is cheap price, cheaper than other tea. And after rolling process, bigger, medium, smaller, rate wise, we need to keep there 2.5 hours for the fermentation process. Fermentation. Do you know fermentation?
Yeah, I know a little bit, but I don't know about the tea fermentation. Is it different or?
Normally, fermentation means natural oxidation. As an example, when you cut an apple fruit, after 2-3 minutes, it inside becomes naturally converted to brown. Fermentation process. We spray water. That fan.
Oh, I see.
Water.
Oh, gotcha.
After this green color leaf become brown color and good aroma to the tea.
Gotcha.
Okay. Different sizes. After rolling and small, medium size, separate. Bigger size, medium size, small size, or rest. Yeah, here we keep there. convert to black color. The stem part particle convert to brown color. Bigger stem here and a smaller stem here. Fiber stem. First we remove fiber stem. This machine can do it. We call fiber mat. There are plastic rollers in this machine. When the machine is turned on, these roll warm up and work as magnet. Fiber stem, small stem, static the rollers and come up. Like this. We use compost.
This is compost.
Go back to the plant machine. But bigger stem and the tea leaf roll in front of the machine and come to the final stage. Take it to the plant machine. Here, sir, after drying, we put here. And you can see fiber static and compound. But tea leaf
Put down very compost. Separate.
fire machine inside. Final. Yeah. Final dry.
Fine and dry. Yeah, burn it.
Fire machine inside. And in Sri Lanka still we use only firewood.
Firewood.
We don't use gas, electricity, no gas. That's why our total tea production 100% natural.
So does it make a difference in the taste?
Yeah, because especially we use rubber wood. You know rubber tree?
Oh yeah, rubber tree. So this is the rubber wood?
Yeah. It has latex. It has latex like
Oh,
this.
wow.
Yes. Burning long time and good aroma to the tea.
Oh, rubber wood.
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you. Wonderful.
And we use only heat to
Okay.
smoke leave this chimney. Smoke.
Okay.
Only heat.
Chimney.
And
So you have a hydraulic system to cut the wood. Awesome.
This is the final stage, sir. Here we are separating tea. There are different shifters. We are separating according to the different sizes. Because
Powder.
powder, yeah,
The largest and the least.
and a smaller particle. Because some people like light taste, some people like strong taste, different tea taste. Bigger particle, very light,
Lightness.
very light. The smaller particle strong, and this one tea powder very strong,
Yes.
always go to tea bag. Most include stems, that's why it's a brown color.
Right.
Another tea leaf, black color.
Right.
Normally we produce 5 different sizes
Right.
black tea, bigger to.
Awesome. Thank you.
And here these all are different sizes, different qualities black tea. Only black tea. And tea dust, we have a lot of variety.
Smells great. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Small sizes coming from there. Smaller one. Big sizes, OP, bigger particles. Suction winnower machine. This machine has sucker and winnowing fan. Suction like vacuum. That sucker can suck the tea leaves and separating according to the different weight. Heavier steam fall near the winnowing machine. This one good quality. Most include younger tender leaves.
Right.
Another less heavier one go for